Welcome to our channel, The Excellence Guide, Current Affair Quiz, 1st August 2020. The Ministry of Human Resource Development has been renamed as the options are Ministry of Basic and Higher Education, Ministry of Education, Ministry of Education and Resource Development, Ministry of Education and Culture. And the right answer is Ministry of Education. Our HRD Minister is Ramesh Pokhriyal Nishank. Next question. Which of the following insurance company has launched a crop insurance campaign title? बहुत जरूरी है. Options are Bajaj Allianz, HDFC Ergo, Bharti AXA General Insurance and Tata AG. The right answer is Bharti AXA General Insurance. The CEO of Bharti AXA is Sanjeev Srinivasan. Headquarters is at Mumbai, Maharashtra. Civil aviation flagged off the first helicopter service by Pawan Hills in which state? Uttarakhand, New Delhi, West Bengal, or Haryana? The right answer is Uttarakhand. CM of Uttarakhand, Trivendra Singh Rawat. Capital is Dehradun. Governor, Baby Rani Maurya. Who is the author of legend Sahaldev, the king who saved India? The options are Dr. S. Jayashankar, Shashi Tharoor, Amish Tripathi, or Dr. Harshvardhan. The right answer is Amish Tripathi. Which district has topped the list of aspirational districts ranked by government think tank Niti Aayog for the February-June 2020 period? Pune, Maharashtra, Bijapur, Chhattisgarh, Meerut, Uttar Pradesh, Ranchi, Jharkhand. The correct answer is Bijapur, Chhattisgarh. CM is Bhupesh Baghel. Raipur is capital. Governor Anusuya Uike. With which IIT Power Finance Corporation PFC has signed an agreement with for training, research and entrepreneurship development in smart grid technology? The answer is IIT Kanpur. Next question. Which of the following has launched Express Claims, a service where claims will be paid out within 4 hours of its being registered? The answer is Tata AIA Life. Tata AIA Life. CEO is Rishi Srivastava and its headquarters is in Mumbai, Maharashtra. Former RBI Governor Urjit Patel has written a book titled. The answer is Overdraft, Saving the Indian Saver. Next question. Union Cabinet has approved a new education policy. Who was the chairman of the committee to draft National Education Policy (NEP)? The options are Ashok Lavasa, K. Kasturirangan, Chan Santoki, Rajkiran Rai Ji, and the right answer is Kasturi Rangan, K. Kasturi Rangan. Next question. Who has been appointed as MD and Group CEO of ICRA Limited The options are Tarun Bajaj, Pinaki Gose, N. Sivaraman, and Ravneet Gill. The answer is N. Sivaraman. The full form of ICRA is Investment Information and Credit Rating Agency of India. Next question. Name the person who received Karamveer Chakra Award from United Nations and Congo. The right answer for this, Sunil Yadav, SS. Sunil Yadav is CEO and founder of SS Motivation. Next question. Who released the ebook titled Standard Treatment Guidelines for the Management of Substance Use Disorder and Behavioral Addiction? The options are Prakash Javadekar, Narendra Modi, Prahlad Patel, and Harshvardhan. The right answer is Harshvardhan. Harshvardhan is Minister of Science and Technology, Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Minister of Earth Sciences. Next question. The central government targets to achieve % gross enrollment ratio in higher education by 2035. The answer is 50%. Next question. Which course will be discontinued as per National Education Policy 2020? M.Ed, M.Com, MBA or MPhil? Right answer is MPhil. MPhil will be discontinued as per the national policy in 2020. Which world organization, along with Pure Health, released the report titled "A Toxic Truth: Children's Exposure to Lead Pollution Undermines a Generation of Future Potential"? Right answer is UNICEF, United Nations Children's Fund. UNICEF headquarters is located at New York, United States of America. The Sabik chemical plant in which country said to become the world's first large-scale chemical production plant to completely run on renewable power? And the answer is Spain. Capital of Spain is Madrid. PM Pedro Sanchez. Currency Euro. Which state government has employed the aerial seeding technique to improve green cover in the Aravalli area of the state? The answer is Haryana. Capital Chandigarh. PM Manohar Lal Khattar. Governor Satyadev Narayan Arya. Rajat Bhatia associated with which sports, who announced his retirement from the sport? He is associated with cricket. Which state government sought to forge for skilling and promotion of entrepreneurship and digital governance in collaboration with Amazon Web Service in the state? The right answer is Andhra Pradesh. Capital is Amravati. CM Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy. Governor Biswabhushan Harichandan. Renowned personality Somendranath Mitra passed away recently. He was a veteran journalist, folk musician, politician, or flute maestro. The answer is politician. He was politician. Thank you for watching our video. Please like and subscribe if you like this content, and share with your friends. For latest update related to all competitive exams, join our Telegram channel. Thank you very much.